Hot air balloon. Takot yan.
There's another one. Come.
Yeah. This way.
Here. Ba't nandiyan kayo sa dulo? Pwede man dito?
Tayo kasi
Ay, hindi naman to yung mismong hot air balloon. Pinapaakyat lang na gano'n.
Ha? Wala!
Ba't nandiyan kayo sa dulo? Pwede man dito.
Hindi ang kamay ka.
Okay, hello. My name is Dia. I'll be the pilot with you.
Yes.
First 3 meters we go up slowly. We have to separate and hold in this side.
Okay.
And the back side.
Sure.
We have to separate on the...
Okay, so I'm here.
You can be opposite me, please.
Here?
Yeah.
On the left side, yes. After 3 meters, I'll let you know when you can raise your hand and we start moving, okay?
Okay.
If you're scared to look at the bully here, you can look at the back. It's fine.
Okay.
It's okay to put my water in the...
Yeah, it's fine.
Akala ko lahat tabi-tabi tayo. Magkakalayo pala.
Eh, gano'n napapala natin, sige.
Masit kamay ka.
Woo! Hot air balloon.
We're about to go, hi. Guys,
Woo!
guys.
Yes!
Guys.
Uy, takot na isa doon!
Wala kayo. Ano kaya siya? Ba't ka nakatago na dyan? Oh, nagtatago na yung isa. But I've always wanted to do this.
Pero hindi ito yung traditional na hot air balloon kasi
Mangingi
meron
na lang ako sa'yo ng ano, Micah.
Ha?
Ay!
Nang?
Mangingi na lang ako ng video sa'yo.
No problem.
Magla-live ako.
Sure. Ooh!
Okay, good now. We can release your hands. You're fine.
Okay. So we can go together?
Yes.
Okay.
You can go.
Pwede na rin tayo. Halika na dito.
Wait, we're going up. We're in the hot air balloon.
Halika na. Halika na. Dito ka.
It's very high. No way.
Takot dito. Halika na. Oh. Halika dito.
Parang ano to
Halika.
eh. You know in Shrek movie, Donkey, don't look down. Sabi ni Donkey, Shrek, I'm
Tingin dito.
looking down. I'm not gonna look down.
Ah! Takot na takot to.
Oh my God, my feet is ticklish.
Ah!
Huwag kang mahalikot.
Huwag kang mahalikot.
But it's